Oh, we back. It's another New York live stream. Oh, it's another New York live stream. It's another trading week.
Yo.
Let me pop up some camera stuff here.
What is good, peeps?
Yo, Karan, are you in the Discord, bro? I was looking for you last stream. And you did not pop up, bro. You did not pop up.
Yep. Much better.
Okay.
What is good, peeps? How is everyone doing today?
Can you guys hear us?
You guys, wait. Yeah, I think. Can you go check?
I'm doing something.
Yeah, let's go, man. I hope you guys are not caught in these ugly markets, man.
What's good, Eminem? What's good, brother? Wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum salam. Okay.
Nice.
We there.
Okay.
We there.
Cool.
All right.
Really hope you guys are not caught in these ugly markets, man, because it does not look good, man.
Bro, we caught a nice trade, but I'll show you what happened. I don't know why TradeAway didn't decide to put in 10 contracts, only decided to put in one. And then 2 contracts, so I made $50 instead of $500 on a beautiful setup that I called from the morning. But it happens. We're not gonna get psyched out over it. Let's give a shout out before we get started here. And guys, please do me one favor, okay? Hit like on this live stream right now. It's at 4 likes. Get that up to at least 10. But yeah, let me give a shout out to everybody. Whoa. What happened to the TV? Okay, why is it going off?
Yeah, man, today it is a freaking slow Monday, man.
What's good, TK? What's good, Eminem? What's good, Lil Beam? What's good, Karan? What's good, Morad? What's good, Sufyan? Let's dive into it. Chris, they're out of focus.
I think we're good, man. What do you mean?
Chris. Fable Few says we're out of focus. He specifically called your name. Chris, they're out of focus. Come on. Give it 1 second, guys. We're gonna dive in the bias real quick. We're gonna get focused here.
Yo, what's good, cigar?
Sagar, do you like cigars? Bro.
Ching.
Okay. All right, great. So I'll show you what happened earlier today. Right before, actually, the session.
Yeah.
I called out this trade in my weekly bias. So I said NASDAQ opened up in the overnight session with a downtrend, as of course it did. And I said that we end up breaking through previous week value area low, which signals bearish activity, which is this circle right here. And I said, for now, I expect price to continue on bearishly. So my idea would be to see her tracing back up to the stacked previous week value area low and previous day value area low, circled in green. Look at that. You see that? I'm gonna zoom it in for you. That's what I wanted. And what happened? We got that. We got that to a pinpoint.
Nice.
I believe this was 30 points. 30 points. Tapped in perfectly. I put a little bit below. But I put in 10 M&Q contracts for this trade. And TradeAway decided to tap me into one. I wasn't even paying attention to the screen. Wasn't paying attention to my computer. I had my limit set, my order set, and it didn't tap me in with 10 contracts. I mean, with 1 contract, I made $50 on this trade. So I just missed out on my trade of the day, unfortunately. but this was for FundNX Futures account. The good news is I was on Lucid Live and my cooldown period ended because I breached my live account. It's been about almost 2 or 3 weeks now, and we finally can trade on Lucid again. So we're back on some evals. It feels good to be back on Lucid. This is a prop firm that I cook up with the absolute most. And that's what we're going to be trading with today. We're going to be trading on TradeC. Honestly, looking at the charts, I still want to take a trade from this area. If price comes back to this area, I want to take a trade. So my bias is maybe even setting a limit order right at my same entry. Previous week value area low. Maybe have a 60-point target now because POC did move down. We can target a version back to POC because price is kind of in a range. But let's see what we want to do. That's honestly, I think, the play right now is if price can come back to that level right there, this zone, I'll take a trade from it. You know what? Matter of fact, I'll put a sell limit right now. How about that?
I'm there.
Yeah.
Guys, my sell limit is probably gonna be way lower than his. I'm looking at that 5-minute inversion, to be honest. But thing is, the market is in a range, man, and I'm not happy with this range.
I like ranges. But anyways, that's the bias for NQ. Looking for sells. I'll give it to Munir.
Yeah, guys. So, as you guys can see, market is being very zesty at the moment, right? We are ranging to the upside, meaning that we are failing to break through, or this 1 hour fair value gap right here is holding, meaning that market actually wants to go and take out this external liquidity over here. And as you guys can see, we barely inversed this 15-minute fair value gap. That's why I'm a bit hesitant. But we do have this 5-minute inversion that is actually holding. Whoa, no, 4 minutes. 5-minute inversion that it is actually holding price down. So you can see, guys, that we came up, we swept liquidity, we gave a nice V-shaped recovery, and now this 5-minute is holding. So I am kind of thinking of setting a limit over here, actually a sell limit, right? But with this one, guys, I'm going to be a bit, let's say, not conservative and aim for these lows right here, right? I want to actually increase my risk, right? So we are going to be calculating how much risk we're going to be putting on the table here. We can do that right now. So that is almost 50 points, meaning 5. So if we put 10 contracts, we're going to be risking around $1,000 to make 2,000. Right? But market is in a range as well. So I'm not very happy with this setup. So what I'm thinking of doing is actually, I do know that market is going to go down, hopefully, right? But we don't know if it's gonna actually go back up, sweep, and then go lower. But like I told you guys, this is going to be a risky one. I was thinking of putting 10 contracts, but since on these accounts we do have a daily loss limit of 1.2, I do want to give myself a chance in case we are wrong to actually get another trade in. So instead of actually 10 contracts, we're actually gonna drop it down to 5, right? And we're gonna be setting a sell limit over here exactly at this 5-minute inversion to see what actually happens, with the stop loss going a bit higher, to be honest, to this candle high right here.
That's where my entry is. That's where my
so
entry
let us
is.
see if 930 will tap us in to take us all the way down here or not.
What's good, 83? Yeah, guys, so me and Munir have the same bias.
Yeah.
I'm just using volume profiler. He's using his fair value gap. May the best man win. The good thing is, if his SL gets hit, I'm very stoked.
Yeah.
I'm very stoked. But please be aware of this. I would have maybe a little wider SL because
We can't
think
go
this is
wider. I
about-
would rather hit SL and then get a better entry, to be honest.
what's
For
your
me.
TP at?
All the lows down.
All the low?
Mm-hmm.
What's good?
Yeah.
What's good? Is my mic off? Okay, let me do this. What about if I do this? This good? That's good? Yeah, hello. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Thank you, sir, Chris. So yeah, guys, we're both putting limit order entries before NYSE opens. And what I'm looking at is I'm gonna trust this level to be a strong support zone. I have a wide stop loss, a little bit above. So if this does tap me out, I'm completely wrong about the direction of the market. I do think that price is gonna wanna come back at least to POC. So what I might do here, because these are evals, is when price comes here, I might trail 2 here and then let the rest play out. Like if it has like as soon as it hits TP, I move it straight to where my TP is so it stomps me out right away, or it continues pushing down. Let's see if it has a melt off or not. But I do think that price will come here. If I'm right, revert back to POC for at least 60 points because it's New York session, right at NYSE open. But this is only, 60 points. Sheesh.
Gold is pumping all the way up. So, yeah, I'm not liking this price action, to be honest. For gold, we would have actually wanted gold to actually drop down lower, tap into any high point of interest before going higher, man.
Man, gold's pumping, huh?
Yeah.
Shit, you just click buy on gold, huh?
That should be the move, yes. So if we get, since Asia is trading higher,
Go to your screen.
this is a bit of sauce for you guys. When Asia trades higher and London follows, New York usually trades higher as well. But slowly, as you guys can see that there is not a lot of volume. And it's a Monday, so I don't feel like touching gold anytime soon. We did have a bias, honestly, with the Way on Plus members, right, where we marked this out. The 15-minute got respected, we got pushed higher. And we said that this is the best area to buy off of for gold. And it actually respected that completely, right? Even though we were in a range, tapped into this area, got respected completely, and then started just trading higher. And the change in state of delivery, which was already drawn here, as you guys can see, is respected fully, right? And then just price kept on moving higher and higher. Crazy run, man. But yeah, we are focusing more on Nasdaq today since it wants to freaking do whatever this is. So let us see. We are still like 15 minutes away, man. Less. But yeah, guys. Crazy stuff. We're also almost tapped in, by the way, guys, just letting you know. Which is kind of a bit scary with these markets right now. So let us see what happens, man. But we do have a solid bias. Hopefully we do end up respecting that bias, man. We'll also keep an eye on ES as well, just to have full-on idea. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity, man. Hopefully this sweep was the end of it. That's why I'm going with this bias, right? Usually when market starts ranging like this, right, where it does, you know, higher highs and higher lows after a crazy bearish run, right, it just fully dumps like this, right, after this bearish run, and market starts ranging to the side just like this. This is the kind of move that market wants to take most of the time. We are just trying to get the best entry possible for that bearish push down, man. That's why I'm going with 5 contracts and minimal SL. Just in case we are wrong, we do still have another chance to redeem ourselves. Right, if our entry is here, right, that is 55 points, that's around 100 each, so that's like $550. We're risking $550 to make 1,100. So
that's gonna wake up.
See.
That's gonna wake up right at NYSE. También. Telling you.
Well, see what happens.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm always confident with my setups, man. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it's fine.
Okay.
We have precautions for these type of scenarios, man.
We're a little bit away, but we're about 60 points away, which NYSE can easily move up 60 points to tap us in, to then continue to push lower and hit our TP after stomping Munir out. Just kidding. I hope we both are right.
Don't dump now. Don't dump now. Tap us in and then dump.
We got 10 minutes. Anyways, I'm gonna use a restroom before we get back. Before we get this NYSE started.
Tap us in and then dump, NQ. Don't do that. That's how it is, guys, you know, like, we have the same bias, it's just the entries are different, you know. Sometimes my entries work, right, are better than his, sometimes his are better than mine. It depends on the scenario of the market, man, and how the market is moving and what it does. We're just trying to make the best educated guess or analysis, right, that we can, man. We're still in the end. We'll never put a dent in the market whatsoever. We're just trying to make the best out of it, man. Once we become freaking trillionaires, you know, and we're trading with huge crazy accounts, then we can actually maybe move the market a bit. Your perfect entry, that is exactly where mine is. Right, Murad? After all, good risk management and consistency. That is right, man.
Facts.
That is right.
You giving yourself more chances to lose, right, is important. It's very important.
Guys, preserving your capital is the most important thing, honestly.
Yeah. Hunter's trade is always a hurdle for most target. Yo, where's Trappy at, bro? Where's Trappy?
Bro,
at?
Trappy, like,
He's missing out.
freaking.
You're missing out on this. And where's Romp at too? Where's Romp? AKA John Wick Watcher.
AKA Evil Crusher.
Oh shit. Yes, Lil Beam, you are right. You are correct. Why are you love Trafula. I don't love Trafula. What are you talking about?
Bro,
I wonder where he's at.
we love everyone, man. Travi is just one of the first members, of the Way On Plus
Yes.
community, man.
One of the first members to adapt
Yes.
the volume profile. What's my entry level? My entry level is none ya. None ya damn business.
But
Just kidding.
AD3 takes the crown for the first Way On Plus member of all time.
Yes,
And-
they do. Yes, they do.
The best.
My entries at previous week value area low, which if you mark,
Trafi, yo, what?
there he is. 29,279. TK.
What do you mean, TK? You just dropped 4K, man, from Lucid. Come on, man.
Yeah, bro. Hey, yo, guys,
What do you
let
mean?
me give TK a shout out for a second. here.
Honestly, man,
Let's go to our
he
Flutter
deserves
Certificates channel.
this at least.
TK. He pulled out, by the way, this is his first certificate. He pulled out 4K from being in the Way On Plus community after buying his very first prop from challenge. This is one of the most generational runs I've ever seen. And yeah, I mean, TK, the guy who's in the chat right now, he's a living example of you can succeed with the right community and the right structure around you. And this was all him too, man. This was all him
Yeah.
too. He's been disciplined. He's been approaching the markets well. So shout out TK. Generational run. Congratulations.
Oh, well, what's that?
$4,000
What's
in
that?
pay.
14K, man. What's that? 14K that I see there. Oh,
Monir. That's long gone.
yeah.
Even my payouts are long gone. My payouts are long gone too.
Okay, guys, we have 5 more minutes. Let's go. That is right, 83, and we greatly appreciate that. You have no idea.
Karan, what do you mean, bro? Karan, what's your Discord username, by the way? Oh, come on, 83. I give credit to everybody. Come on. I'm always active, unlike other people in the Discord. What's good, Pacamp?
Yo, what's good, man?
All right, I'm gonna give it to Monir's screen because the odds are he's gonna get tapped in and then stomped out, and then we'll switch to my screen for the entry.
Let's see.
Come on. Either he's
Let's
gonna
see.
have a perfect entry
Let's see.
and I'm gonna get FOMO, or we're gonna have the more perfect entry and be clutch, or we're both gonna be absolutely fucking wrong.
The market just freaking pumps,
It's Quran,
to
brother.
oblivion,
I have a
man.
message. Quran.
It is Quran, man. I don't know what you were on about.
Wait. No, Quran, bro. You haven't. Oh yeah, you
bro, I don't
did.
know what you're on about, man.
Nice, Quran. Wait, Quran, you want to learn my strategy, right?
He's having fun with AMD, man.
No, he originally wanted to learn my strategy. When he came in here last week. Okay, bro. I'm gonna send you the stuff right now, so you convert from ICT to volume profile. Let me send you the stuff. Send you the juice. And Karan, it seems like you already learned ICT, so if you don't like this strategy, stick with ICT. And stick with learning from Monir. But still, I think Monir even has great advice about risk management, passing prop firms, getting sales, etc.
Guys, trust me, man. In the end,
All strategies
strategy
work.
is the least of your problems.
It's like being born,
Hope
you know?
you guys would understand that
Some people are born
soon.
in America, some people are born in Algeria, some people are born in China. In the US.
What? Okay, that's it. That's all. That's it.
So you're born in ICT. Some
Guys, we're about to get tapped in, guys.
whoa.
Ooh, okay, we are tapped in. Let's see. Are we gonna get whipped out? Or is this going to go straight to our TP? Guys, our stop loss is going to be going exactly. Let's make it 570. Exactly at this high. Right, let's make it a perfect. Yeah. TP. Final TP. All the way down here. Will our area be respected?
Karan, check Discord for the juice, by the way. I just tagged you. That's where you start off first.
Let us see, guys. That's a crazy pump up, man. Will
What's
our
good?
area be respected, guys? Yo, Ayush, what's good, man?
Tenwar, Subhan, are we targeting 60 point SL? Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Simplicity at working strategy.
This is my entry right here. Just a reversion back to POC. I might trail it. If we get a nice push down. But for now, let's just see Monir's trade because he's in a little bit earlier, and his SL is our entry.
It's gonna be fun.
It's a slow market though, man.
No, there is a bit of volume, but it's just sideways volume, man. Just sideways volume. Come on. Let's see that push down, man. Let's see that push down. Ooh.
Oh shit, it just opened right now.
Yes, it did. Wow. Okay, guys, with this, what we're going to be doing is actually removing 3 contracts at this low just to manage this. What?
Wow.
We just closed 3 contracts, guys, already. I'm going to be moving to break even.
Wow.
Because the market is being very volatile. And I don't want to be stuck in that. So we made a profit of $500. Let us see the rest play out. We are fully break even, guys. Fully break even.
You're for sure gonna hit TP. Bravo, Mo. What a great entry. What a fantastic entry.
Risk management. On point. TP. Full TP on point.
Fair play, fair play. Low beam. Low beam. I don't give ICT a lot of shit. Come on.
Guys, my actions talk for themselves, man. The charts, the marking. What an insane trade, man. Wow. Perfect entry, honestly. What an insane trade. We are out with 939 off for the day across 5 accounts, guys. Let us see this workout. We'll see what we can do with these accounts, man. Mo, luckiest ICT trader? Did you not see the 14K part on the Discord? You're in the Way Plus member, man. What? You call this lucky? It's called experience, man.
All right.
Yeah, that was actually, honestly, but like the volatility really helped. Right, the trade idea was there. And yeah. Can you please explain your strategy once? I have a full-on course on Way Plus.
Link in the description.
Link in the description. But I can explain the trade idea. I'll explain the trade idea for you. Hopefully you can actually make sense of it, man. But if we go on the higher time frame, we can see that market moves in two ways, from internal liquidity to external liquidity. That's a bit of sauce for you, right? Always, market moves in two ways only, man. External, which are highs, right? Highs and lows, and internal being fair value gaps and interesting points of interest between price, right? So we can clearly see that market is respecting this 1 hour fair value gap that we have here, and market is not inversing this 1 hour fair value gap. That gives us and tells us that, okay, the bias is still bearish and we are going to be aiming for these external lows, right? Since we are trading inside internal, correct? When we go down to the 15-minute, we can clearly see that market is ranging to the side, 5-minute as well. So usually, this is speaking from experience, usually when market ranges to the side, just like this after a bearish run, it means that it is going to be aiming for liquidity as well, downside, right? We saw that the market came back up, swept liquidity, tapped again into that hourly fair value gap, and inversed and gave us this amazing V-shaped recovery, inversing this 5-minute fair value gap. We came back up again, tapped into this 5-minute inverse, and respected it and did not break through, meaning that the market is very, very bearish. So we said that we are going to be a bit risky and place a limit before market open. Usually when market opens, it's going to be very volatile. Either it sweeps and then converts and goes higher, or lower, vice versa, right? Or the market actually just taps into and then goes straight to the target. So we said we're going to be a bit risky today and place a limit before the market opens. We kept our stop loss very conservative, exactly above this high, so that in case we are wrong and target and market actually goes up and sweeps, we can have maybe a better entry later. And that's exactly what happened, right? We came back up, tapped into our area of interest, and market went straight to TP. And that is the trade idea for today, guys.
All right. Now it's my turn. TK, I got no pressure on me. I'm good. I caught a good trade today. I just didn't get the full amount of contracts that I wanted. But we got some fresh Lucidity. I usually cook with Lucid. We're going to stick to the same idea for now. Parth asked if this value area was activated. I mean, ideally, if the market doesn't want to go down, we can see a reversion back to POC. But this is just a single confluence right now. I think what sometimes I realize is when we stick to our original idea, let's give it some time to see if this plays out first before changing our bias. So I still think that there's a super high chance. I mean, this is only 130 points away, 138 points away.
I would go for buys, man.
You would go for buys? Yeah. You could take the break and retest of this, of course. But
would they get an SMT? But our market is too.
But what I want to know is if we can get to this level, if we could break back into this range, right? That could be a sign that price wants to go back to this POC level. Price goes to this POC level and can't push through, then we might need to change our bias.
Mo, can I take the continuation? Not really, no. In my opinion. You see this reversion that we're getting back at the moment, we did get a full-on SMT with ES, where NASDAQ has broken through these lows that we were talking about, and ES has not. That is a bullish SMT. Now, will this bullish SMT actually hold? I'm not sure. But honestly, at the moment, I would actually just tell you to actually just sit down and wait and let the market play out longer, just so that you know what to do, man.
Yeah. There's no rush just because Mo took a trade and he won. There's no rush to get in again, right?
Yeah.
There's no rush. Usually if you need a rush or the itch to trade, like earlier we had some members asking me when can we enter off a trade? Even part 2 right now saying, can we enter off value area low? Sure, you can. But it's sometimes best to limit your opportunities and stick with your plan, right? And have some patience, you know? Like you can say, oh, break, retest, or we break back in, break, retest, reversion.
Yeah. Not just yet, Murad, honestly. No, not yet. Market is still dumping. I don't think that this SMT is going to be holding from how the market is moving, to be honest. So I'm not really confident. Like we already hit our targets, for me personally. So at the moment, market might probably just keep on dumping. Or will it start reversing back up? We don't have any confirmation of that yet. Like even we did not come back up to tap into that 5-minute fair value gap, you know, or 1-minute fair value gap that we have up there.
Yeah, it's only been 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes since NYC opened.
You need better, like more price action, honestly, to actually then decide what to do, guys. But yeah, Monday today is New York is better, playing way better than London. Honestly, London was horrible.
M and Q. Yeah, you can look at this, guys, right? Break, retest. How many points was this? 60 points. Easy. Easy 60 points.
Yeah, sure, we are in a weekly fair value gap, but honestly, it doesn't really matter if the weekly fair value gap did not hold from the beginning. Right?
Nice, Rohit. And I had a feeling you're taking this one. You like the NYC Open, man. See, if you have balls, right? I think what Rohit did was he took a long here, he got stomped out, and then instantly changed his bias to take that retest, which I've done before. It's super valid because you're proven wrong, right? If you hit SL. Super valid trade, bro. Super valid trade.
Mo, we are inside a daily fair value gap. On gold.
On gold or Nasdaq?
Yeah, gold, honestly, I haven't really looked. Even though that we are inside the daily fair value gap, Murad, it does not matter, man. Since it did not respect it, you don't expect it to get respected now. Right? This daily fair value gap is here. We're almost about to inverse that daily fair value gap. So if it didn't respect it from the first time, it's not going to respect it now. So that means that just tells us that we're still very, very bullish. And market is just ranging to the upside. So I don't see anything interesting right now. Like no good points of entry. Nothing like really interesting. So I would just stay away, honestly, from gold right now. and let tomorrow play out, and we'll see what happens. Wow, Nasdaq's just dumping, man. Wow. Insane. Shit, we could have freaking held this. Yeah. Insane, man. How much would that have gone for? And it's still going, guys. Still going. Still freaking going, man. But honestly, guys, can we appreciate the entry? We appreciate the entry. Where do we end up taking TP? Exactly at this low. Like, guys, I don't want all of this, you know? This is all. So I'm happy with this. I wanted to, right? And we're done. Why now get FOMO? Oh my god, I could have made more. I could have done this. I could have done and left if I entered with 10 contracts. Guys, I bet you every single guy, whoever took this, right, and hit TP. Because I used to think like this before, right? Shit, imagine I entered with 10 contracts, guys. I would have made double this. I would have done, you know, I would have made this much. Let me enter again. I have more money to play with now. Let me enter again, you know, and try to catch this crazy trade. Catch the continuation, make more money. Why? You made profits, man. It's enough. It's more than enough, man. If you calculate this, guys, that's $5K almost in a single day. You know how much money that is? Just make $5K in a single day in less than a minute. In less than a minute. Yeah, even though it doesn't matter, it's still the real market. It's an eval. What did I tell you guys? It doesn't matter. The money does not matter. It's the skill that counts. Once you have the skill, the money comes after.
Yes. It's there's no change in difference from eval to funded, right? The same thing. You're gonna trade the same exact way and have the same exact mindset.
Exactly. Damn, man. Oh,
Dump central.
that is a crazy freaking dump, man.
Yeah, guys, this trade up here is still going to be valid for if a late New York session wants to move up here and tap this again. I am down to take that trade. But for now, we're going to remove this and potentially look for something closer. But we're still going to watch, and we're still going to keep this idea up here, especially if price just wants to have a huge, crazy reversion right now. You never know, right?
Yeah, guys, for me, kind of think I'm done for the day, man. But in the meantime, I'll be right back with you guys.
seems like price, I mean, this is a very, very early developing profile, but it seems like price will return to this. Biggest daily win is $3,000 on a live account on gold. And biggest daily win with a prop firm was NFP, which I think was about 3,500. Trump tariff treaty on Canada. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. No, I've never faced payout rejection from prop firms. That's because I don't trade with prop firms that seem somewhat shady, you know? I've always traded and done my research with prop firms, which I highly suggest you guys do. Even if we're promoting a prop firm, right? Do your research. TopSip's great. TopSip's still great. My favorite prop firms right now, of course, Lucid. Lucid, TopSip's there. I really like Fund and X Futures. I'm trading with them now. And then I'm going to be trying Apex Trader Funding this month. Yeah. But you don't need like a bunch of prop firms. You just need stick with like one or two. Sufyan, which prop firms are you trading with again? I don't know, Parth. I think you're affiliate for Blue Guardian. Yeah, TopSip's great. But I think, you know, it's not important for you now, Sufyan, until you get consistent payouts. But I think Lucid has the best live program. You know, when you're getting consistent payouts, so you can move to live. Lucid is 100% the best. Hunter, besides money, what keeps you going and makes you showing up every day? That's a good question. I mean, building something, right? Building something makes me show up every day. I saw like a reel. I feel like I'm going to reiterate the reel I saw the other day, but like, I feel like as a man, you always need to have something to build, you know, creativity wise, whether that's trading community, creating content. So, you know, we're running Way On Media, right? Our YouTube channel. We're running a community now. We're running these live streams. There's multiple projects, right? That I'm showing up every day for. Even every single one of you guys too. I'm showing up every day for the community. So I guess that kind of keeps me, you know, motivated to show up every day. And I like trading. I like this whole space. I love seeing people succeed and win. Like, you know, this volume profile strategy that I'm trading, it's like, it was a game changer for me. So I love seeing TK and everybody use it. And it's like, wow, this is such a simple strategy. I'm like, yeah, you can learn it in 1 hour. So little things like that motivate me to show up every day. And of course, you know, like, yeah, it's pretty much it. Of course, like success, right? Like creating things, creating big things is definitely the goal. And then when I get old, I'm just gonna go on the island and surf all day. Forget about everything. Thank you, brother. Thank you. But yeah, you gotta find something, you know? even too, like a project, right, is something as simple as a gym. You're building yourself. You're building your body's your project. So you show up every day at the gym to build that project. That's why a lot of people are obsessed with the gym. Same thing with business. ICT or price action. Volume profile. Volume profile. But I would say ICT because my boy trades it right here. So let's go ICT. But all strategies work, bro. Price action works. Price actions, like I'm trading technically with volume profile support or resistance, but I'm not using price action to mark my support or resistance levels. I'm using volume. So it works both. I just feel like for me that using volume to trade off these levels, there's always some type of pinpoint reaction. Sometimes you get edged. Sometimes it doesn't work, which is with every strategy. If the market doesn't want to respect your strategy, it's not going to respect it. But yeah, it all works. It all works. I was on a big tangent while you're gone, bro.
Huh?
I was on a big tangent while you're gone.
Tantrum?
No, tangent.
Tangent. Why?
Hunter, if this 15-minute candle closes green, would you go with Nitro Trade strategy? Bro, you think... We just released a YouTube video of Nitro Trades. Super epic trader. And he trades CRT, which is candle range theory. If you guys want to go watch that episode, go to the main Weon channel, check it out. Join the Discord, check it out. But yeah, bro, like there's probably a lot of different strategies going on right now in the market here, Murad, but I'm gonna stick with my strategy.
Guys, should we get hasty and take another trade? Huh? What do you think, Hunter?
I think you should stick with your profits.
Why? Market
Let me take the spotlight.
You want to take the spotlight? Well, do you have any limits? Anything?
Not yet. Not yet. What do you think about order flow? Order flow is great. In fact, one of the guys in the chat, I think it's some of the Weon Plus cats use order flow with volume profile, and order flow is great. For me, it's just I don't want to overcomplicate my charts. I don't want to focus on too many things. That's why I trade only on the 1 minute time frame. I don't focus on multiple time frames. That's why I usually trade with a very minimal amount of levels on my screen. That's pretty much it. But order flow is great. It's great. Like with trading strategy using volume profile, you compare with anything. Just an extra confluence. But I do feel like right now, like order flow is the biggest trend in the game. It's a very popular trend. And it's good. It's good. People are successful with it. But I guess the thing with my trading is I like to keep it to like, if I have to wait for this confluence, then look at this, then look at this, then look at this, then look at this. I feel like that's a little bit too much. I'd rather just look at one thing and take it.
No, man. I'd rather follow my rules, Barth, to be honest. My rules are, if we win one trade and we make good profits, we're out of the charts. If we lose one trade, then we have one chance to redeem ourselves. If we do end up doing that again, then we are out of the charts. So 2 losses, we're out. 1 win, we are out. And we did get a win. So also the new...
But it is an eval.
Huh?
It is an eval. It is an eval. Yes, last time I took 4 trades on stream.
He also has a point, guys. We made money
Murad,
on our funded.
Murad said, you want to buy from that IFPG? I put it to your screen. He already has it marked out, Murad. He already has it marked out.
I'm actually willing to sell, Murad, not buy.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn.
We wanna give some good examples here, to be honest.
Yeah. TK, Deep Charge is very popular nowadays, used by Fabio, world champion winner. Yeah, Deep Charge is great, man. I mean, Fabio and Andrea Chimi are the ones who created that platform. They're the ones marketing it. So they're 2 amazing traders, Italians as well.
Yeah.
Italians breed fucking amazing traders. So shout out to them and shout out to Deep Charts. If I use order flow, I would 100% use them. Or if I had a platform like a platform that didn't have trade seat, I would 100% use Deep Charts. So yeah, but you got to use order flow if you want to use that platform. Use order flow. Otherwise, if you're just trading volume profile, there's no need for you to use Deep Charts. You know. Yeah, it's complicated. It's a high tech platform. It's a very niche platform, right? It's a very niche platform. Karan, we do have some order flow videos on our main YouTube channel you can watch. But Karan, first learn the strategy. Rex, Hunter, I had a doubt these levels of VP, suppose in today's market has overnight low level already been tested. Can we take a trade for that level once again? Yes, so what you're asking is this level right here. Listen, all levels can be traded from, right? Do I know that, for example, I want to take a trade right now, Rex, if I want to take a trade right now, at the nearest level, it would be this level, 100%. And I'm honestly thinking that too. And you have to be willing to accept the fact. I mean, do we actually know whether this is gonna tap this and reject down, or if it's gonna break through? Have no idea. But because the trend is overall bearish, we are in a bearish downtrend, I'm gonna think logically and stick with that mindset until proven otherwise. So I would take a trade like that. Hopefully this acts as an area of resistance again. If it doesn't, then I switch my bias, right? So that's a risk that you need to take before entering this trade, but super valid trade. Or if you want to be more conservative, you wait until POC. But I think this is a very good area. I might even put like a wider stop loss to let it breathe, and I'll take that trade.
Yeah, just like how I am going to take this trade.
You're gonna take that again? Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it with you, bro. Take it with you.
Yeah, guys, we might be actually taking a trade here. Let's see if we do get tapped in.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Hopefully that makes sense, Rex.
I don't think we will. You want to change it to mine?
Oh.
Guys, we have a sell limit here of 5 contracts. Again, exactly at this 5-minute fair value gap, also as a 15-minute fair value gap. The thing is, guys, that I would have liked to place my sell limit a bit lower. Why? Because now with this ES chart, we just tapped into this 5 minutes way higher, took out liquidity where NASDAQ did not do so. So, yep, expected this drop, sadly. Guys, as soon as we break through this low, I'm going to be removing my sell limit completely and staying out of the charts, man. This was the only kind of trade that I would be interested in, since we are very close to these areas, and that is daily fair value gap that I do think market is heading to. So let us see, man. This would be the last trade idea for the day for me, man. We are just simply moving on price action from internal to external, man. Gold entry. We are not trading gold today, man. Gold is too overextended to the top, where we're not going to be trading gold today, man. It is just in a range, and it looks very ugly at the moment. I would not want to trade gold, man. Yeah, sadly got...
Anyways, you get tapped in before me. Yeah, Rex, I put a limit order for here. When looking at this, because we got 30 minutes of the new developing, right? I feel like this is a valid play. If you want to go lower, you can target the developing value area high, but that's obviously going to change. But I like this. If POC stays here and we get some type of strong movement to the upside, I have my SL above this POC. So we should see some type of rejection, right, from this area. Let's see. That's assuming we're keeping the idea that price wants to go lower and price wants to continue its downtrend. This is about how many points? 150 points.
Yeah.
What's the ATR? What is ATR? Oops.
I might move my sell limit a bit lower.
29 ATR, so... 30 points per candle. Yeah, I could take 4 candles. That's fair. That's valid. 30 times 4, 120 points. Oh yeah. Okay. Where's your
Where's my what?
I'll say your entry, but it's right above.
Yeah.
Okay. The market is slow, but this is where we're patient. If we don't find the setup, okay. Don't worry.
Be happy.
Don't worry, be happy. I like that song. Osama in the house. What's good? What's good?
Munir got TV just in 2 minutes, but I miss. Damn, man, that's pure dedication. Let's go, man. Osama Sinbadin. Welcome back, man. It's been a while. How you been, brother? Yeah, it was a good trade, to be honest. It was like a... These are the type of days that we like, man. These are the type of days that we like, man. Just get tapped in, straight TP, done.
Yes, sir.
We love those kind of days, man.
Yeah. Most screen.
We're looking at this setup right now. Let's see. We are actually catching a continuation model, right, where we took this trade straight to TP. now we might be catching this continuation model. But if we end up actually breaking through these lows, I'm going to be fully taking off this limit and staying out of the charts, man. Sadly, that might actually happen. I was thinking of actually like moving my limit down to this 1 minute, but if we do end up doing that, our stop loss is going to be exactly at this high. We're gonna go very, very minimal, right? And there is a chance that we might actually just wake up, you know, tap and then go lower. So I didn't really want to risk it. I'm like, I'll leave my entry here. If we actually end up breaking through these lows, I'm gonna be fully removing that limit and just staying out of the markets, man. It's better that way. Like, we made the profits that we need for today. I don't think we need to push it, right?
Yeah, Rex, any time of the day, man. I mean, when it gets later in the day, of course, I might move. I might target, you know, late New York, I might target 40 points, sometimes even 30 points. Depends on what I'm feeling, right? It's very discretionary. But yeah, I've taken trades like before market close. It moved perfectly, respected perfectly off the levels. There's really no, unless price is just trending super far away and there's no levels to trade from, then yeah, just wait for it to come back. Just be patient, set alerts on your charts. Even the trade I took earlier during London, like this one. Oops. Skip that. This one, right? I waited all session for this, all day for this, right? And it came like late London, almost approaching New York. And unfortunately, we were super right about this trade. It just didn't give us the 10 contracts. It didn't tap us in 10 contracts, which I only had one limit of 10 contracts there. So I don't know why Tradeovate tapped one instead of 10, but they would have been much better if we would have had this trade, of course, played out. And I wouldn't needed to even think about taking a trade during New York. But because we're live streaming, of course, I want to try to take one trade per session. But yeah, just being patient is the right way to go. Market's moving slow. I think not taking a trade is better than trying to make up something. Oh, let me take a trade from this developing value area low back to POC, and then if you lose a trade, right? You know, it's like
it's not it, man.
Yeah. Yeah, as long as you're not targeting like 100 points before New York close, and you're good targeting 25 points, 40 points. You can trade all the way up until market closes if the setup's there.
Yeah, market's dumping, man.
All right, guys, we'll give it. Let's give it another 20 minutes. Let's see what moves happen. Let's see if we get tapped in.
Nah, I don't think so. We're just gonna keep on dumping.
See if we get a Trump candle.
I think we're just gonna keep on dumping, man. Because on the new 5 minute as well, very, very bearish. So, yeah. As soon as we break through this low, guys, I'm going to be removing my limits. That will create, or it's gonna be an invalid limit for me, guys, since we failed to tap into that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. And we are going to be getting a new 15-minute in like 2 minutes. So,
nah, Murad, I'm good. I am good.
Yeah, guys, market looks like it's dumping, man. Look at that. Honestly, guys, I would want market to go back up a bit before it dumps. Tap us in. Because if this 15-minute closes a bit like this, it's a very good sign for us. You guys see, look at this. 15-minute looks very, very, very bearish, which is perfect. If the new 15-minute actually opens up, just goes straight, taps into this 15-minute, and then goes lower, that's going to be a very good sign for us. Let us see. Let us see. Daniel Holmes is struggling. Is still struggling to fight a trade. But gold is like, not today, bro. So he changed gold to what? Daniel's trading NQ now?
He's always trading NQ.
Yeah, I know, but like after
he favors gold.
he favors
yeah.
gold. Yeah.
Favors the gold.
And you guys should go and tell him that it's a bit too late to find a trade on NQ now, man. Market has made the move. Okay. This is a good sign for us, guys. I'm liking this. This is a very good sign for us. So the new 15-minute actually opens up. Very bullish. Taps us in, goes lower. Come on, NQ, we should go up, man.
Got to pump it up.
Will we get tapped in or not? Let's see. Come on. Such slow movement.
Gonna get banned, Sai. Gonna get banned. Hunter, bro, you know, I look so happy today. Of course I'm happy. I'm just like, what else? Like, I'm just waiting for the chart to do its thing.
Oh, so make him happy, man. Tell him a joke. Let him laugh.
Yeah, make me laugh. Why don't you give me some entertainment? No, I'm good today, though. I'm straight.
You're straight? Were you gay before?
You never heard that? I'm straight.
Alright, but
oh yeah, I remember we banned you last time for that.
it was a mistake, I think. Right?
No. Ollie banned him
Oh.
because he was trolling too hard.
Oh.
All right, try to give a PG answer, PG joke. Osama. Let me make you happy, bro. What's up with the dancing emojis? Karan. Bro, I'm already happy. You don't need to make me happy, guys.
Guys. Market is gonna start entering a range, and I'm not in for that.
Good joke, right? Yeah. Say a joke. Say a joke. Who's gonna enter the first joke? They're probably chat GPTing.
Funniest joke, you know, in the world. What joke won? You know, the best joke.
Yeah. Fortunately, I can't say my jokes on stream, or we get banned. We would get banned.
Yeah, guys, we are entering this freaking range right now, and I'm not in for that, man. Shit.
Yeah.
It would be, yes.
Funny how?
It would be Murad. It would be. It would be a nice AMD, honestly. Yeah.
Of course, Mohammed, you make me laugh.
What?
Why do the priests? Professional.
Huh?
I'm trying to read this. Why do the priests? I don't get it.
Wait.
I don't get
Wait.
it, AJ.
Bro, are we too innocent or what?
Maybe my brain's not working, but
Stop whispering, man. Read it with your heart.
no, because I can't say that. I can't say that on YouTube.
Yeah, I know, but like, read with your heart. Like, don't read it. Like, stop whispering because you're messing with my brain right now. I have like 2 cells working. Bro, yeah, I'm done. I give up, bro.
Yeah, I can't.
I give up, bro. No, I give up. Yes, Fables for you. Please make Hunter laugh.
He already did. He pulled out a Joe Pesci joke.
A
Funny.
Persian joke? What?
A Joe Pesci joke. You don't know Joe Pesci?
No, I heard Persian joke, man.
You know this guy?
Fabled Few, have you seen my trade in the beginning of the stream or not?
Shit, I fucked that up.
What?
Have
Yes,
you
a
seen
person,
this?
Joe Pesci.
He has a Persian. He's like, funny how? Like I amuse you? Because he's like laughing. And then the guy's like, you're so fucking funny. The guy's like, funny how? Like I amuse you like a clown? And he's like, whoa. You gotta watch it. I can't spoil it.
Oh, bro.
Price is pushing up.
That's freaking cool, man.
This month was really bad. So much random moves. Yeah.
Thank you, Fabled Few.
August has been a slower month for trading, of course. It's been a less performing month compared to June and July. Lumiere might be getting tapped in here.
Let us see, man. Let's see.
Dun, 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 dun. This is a nice little pump here. Mo, have you taken any trades today?
Who said this?
Can someone name something most selling farm tool in 1800? I already know what that is. I already know what that is.
What is it, man?
No, you don't get it?
Why are you laughing? What's so funny? Hunter.
Oh shit. I will not answer that. Osam, you need to go repent for your sins.
Why was that so funny, Hunter? Huh?
Why did you bring it all the way back? Still.
Hmm? Why was that so funny? Huh?
I didn't think it was funny.
You were laughing like crazy, man.
What are you stupid?
No, I'm not. I'm just not stupid like Hunter, yeah.
What do you mean stupid? I know. I get the
Okay,
joke. I get the joke.
Also, I'm trying to put him like trying to get him cancelled.
No.
Just for the bands.
I'm smart.
Just for the bands. Yeah, guys, we're probably gonna be removing this entry right here.
Really?
Yeah. Mo, you want to move your entry a bit earlier to that 15-minute fair value gap. Doesn't really make much of a difference because we do have liquidity right here. So either ways, I would like it to hit the CE before anything, to be honest.
Why is the USA bad at playing Clash Royale? Why?
By wearing black shades. Entry miss? No, man, we did not miss the entry. I don't really care about this entry, man.
Damn. Damn. That was good, TK. That was good.
Bro, I tried to hold it, bro. I couldn't.
I actually haven't heard. I haven't heard.
Me
a
neither.
USA
This is the
joke.
first time. This is the
This
first time.
I heard a USA joke.
Yeah, this is the first time I heard.
Oh shit.
TK, that's a crazy one, to be honest, guys.
Excuse me. Yeah. We had a message from a guy named TK. Just kidding.
Find out where he lives.
Trump. Clash Royale is a good game, though.
Yeah, guys. I still do play it sometimes, you know?
I was a Royal Giant type of guy.
Yeah, you do look like a giant. I know.
Thanks. How'd you know?
Just by looking at you, man. Freaking, you have a square face.
Fuck yeah. What character would Mo be? Clash Royale characters. Let's check out the Clash Royale characters.
Bro, just go to images, man. Yeah, guys.
Yeah,
I'm not happy with this movement. Can you go back to my screen? Before just like anything? Let's make it a bit...
This would be Mo.
Bro, do I look blonde to you?
The mustache.
You know the market is shit when Clash Royale is more interesting. Can you go back to my screen? Brother. Yeah, bro, that's a goblin, just like you, man. That's how you looked like when you had no beard. Anyway, guys. Bro, tell me that's not how you looked like when you had no beard.
No.
Bro, square face. Literally the same, bro.
No.
Anyway, guys. I'm not liking how the market is right now. I'm not liking this movement whatsoever. Price barely even tapped into that 15-minute and then went lower. If you go on ES over here, also ES is kind of just trending to the sideways. So with that being said, I'm probably going to be removing my sell limit completely and staying out of the markets. So to be as safe as possible, I do still believe that the market will go lower, but off of what exactly, we cannot tell for sure. We are still holding this 5-minute, which is a good sign, but I'm not willing to wait and just keep a position up there and that's it, right? Like, we made profits today. We're happy with the profits. That's enough. We don't have to get greedy or search for more, right? So that is it for me today. I am completely done with the markets.
Yep. All right, guys. We're going to give it a couple minutes here. Yeah, I might close it out. Not a lot of motion. Not a lot of motion at all. I'm still will be willing to take trades late New York session. I do still think price can definitely move up to value area low. This would be the setup. Let's see if the new 30-minute wants to pump price up. But other than that, if you made profits today,
Yeah.
I would shut the computer off. Mo looks like Will Smith. Why did Will Smith play Aladdin, bro? What? This is what Varsity looked like. Will Smith Aladdin. What did Will Smith play in Aladdin, bro? What did Will Smith play in Aladdin?
Bro, part that's very racist, man. Very racist of you.
What?
Bro, I look like that. Bro.
That guy does.
Freaking no.
And your favorite color is blue. Look at your shades.
How is my favorite? My favorite color is red. Stretch, exactly. Thank you, man.
If we painted you blue, bro, you would 100%.
No, if what do you mean, man? Oh man.
We got the new 30-minute.
Yeah, guys.
Can we just get a?
Do you
nice
really
candle?
think? Never
Yeah,
mind.
it's happened before.
Never mind.
It's happened before.
What? What are you talking about?
The candle pumps.
No, bro, Parth. You're all good, man. Come on. Guys, we still left the what do you call it? The tool up. So let's see if market actually.
Just take it. Enter.
No.
Enter. Enter. Fade with Few, stretch TBH. Fade with Few is kind of glazing you up. Like a glazed donut. A glazed Krispy Kreme donut.
Oh, he's a very good guy, man.
Mo was a big fan of the Diddy documentary. Fade with Few was a main feature inside the documentary. He helped film it. All right. I put you on the TV. And I denied it respectfully. Respectfully, Mo. That was so crazy.
What?
Did you see when he started dancing at the funeral?
I don't think I saw that video.
There was a. I'll show you. It was it Tupac or Biggie? No, it's Biggie's funeral. Look, I'll show you. And he released a song based off Biggie's death. And he's the guy who killed him. And he's doing this.
This was his funeral?
Yes. This song was based after him.
Yeah. That's crazy.
All right, guys, this is some nice bullish momentum. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. This might be a longer stream than usual. This might be a longer stream than usual. Ugh. Yeah, they found out like what? 30 years later.
Oh,
Crazy.
oh, by the way, I'm gonna remind you of one more thing, you know?
Yeah. What time do we gotta be?
7:30.
7:30? Okay. Guys, do you have any idea how expensive a potato peeler can be?
Yes, I know.
I have no idea.
I just do. I ruined your joke, Osama, right? I know that I messed up your joke.
Remove Parth from the Discord. Nah. Parth is like the annoying little brother. Still family, but he's annoying.
That's nice.
Nah, I'm playing. He likes to banter just like we like to banter. We in the butts, let's ride.
Did you just read that, bro? Oh my god, bro, you're so stupid. How did you read it like that?
That's what he said.
I read it, we in, but let's ride. This is what I read. It's like we in butts.
I thought it was fucking the joke. Isaiah Melvin comes out of nowhere. How do you know? How do you know, Mo? How much a potato peeler can be?
I just do, man.
Hunter must be a backbencher. I can bet for this. Backbencher.
What even is that?
I don't know what that means, bro.
Guys, I'm gonna stand up and freaking stretch, man.
We got about 53 points until getting tapped in. Okay, you got me a water. Cheers. All right. It's looking promising. Backbencher means low IQ marks. Backbencher means low IQ marks. I do have a low IQ. Nice. Isaiah Melvin. You came out of nowhere. What are you trading, brother? What are you trading? By the way, tomorrow morning or tonight? But doesn't it keep you awake though, right? You sure? I feel like tomorrow morning. I feel like tomorrow morning would be the right idea. Okay, we're almost there. Right there. This is a nice push-up. That's his first wish from the G. Wish granted. Wish granted. It's like Hunter asked his first wish from the genie water. You say as you wish. He says that too. As you wish. As you wish.
I don't say that.
You do.
No, I don't.
As you wish. Ah. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. It's a very nice push. Two wishes left for the day. Can you push me to entry? Can you push me to entry? By the way, can you drop it off like 8 p.m.?
Huh?
Can the carrier come at like 8 p.m.?
I can't control it. It's like you call. You get me?
Let's see. So what'd you guys do this weekend? What'd you do when you were off the charts this weekend? You spend time with family? Did you eat food? Did you pray? Did you do some type of sporting activity?
Why are you talking so slow?
Yeah, I didn't go this weekend. The weather's rough. The thing is Sufai, we're in a peak heat season right now. So like, even though it's nice to be in the ocean water, when you go surfing, you like die.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, TK. I was definitely that person in school. I was annoying. I was a class clown. I wouldn't study. But I love sports. I love going like on recess and lunch.
So is high school like the movies?
Mm-hmm. Dude, yeah, like a spinning image.
That's boring.
Spinning image. Mo SL hitting that last idea.
That's why we removed trade setup, guys. That's why we removed the limit.
I want to take a sell from 29 to 10. That is a valid area, Eminem.
My weekend was pretty chill, man.
That's
Just
a valid
rested
area.
and chill throughout the weekend, man.
That's like right above here, which is near POC overnight, which I think is a pretty valid. It's a pretty valid area. I believe it's a retest. Yeah, 100%. That's a bias. That's a bias. I'm just using, I mean, my SL's above that. SL's above that. So this might be a long trade. Longer trade than usual. How many points play? Right now it's 90. Right now it's 90. ATR is still at 22. ATR is still at 22. But this seems like the rejection. Seems like a big rejection candle. It's been a while since I've taken a trade on TradeC. Feels good to be back. Okay. The new 15 minutes. What will it grant? When are you going home? Okay. Oh. Okay. Can we get a little wick? Drop. Hunter, previous day low 29,220 will act as an area of resistance. Yeah, of course. Of course, 220. Yeah, that's up here. It's up here. Okay. Okay. See you. All right. One-hour EQB. What is EQB?
I don't know.
Equilibrium?
Yeah.
Can we get the pump? Can we get the wick? I'm just gonna move it down to a round number just to have it there.
Also, who said that my SL hit? It did not hit, guys.
Parth.
Well, not yet, at least. My SL is still intact if we were in that trade.
Parth is watching your every move.
Yeah, look, my SL is still there.
Oh.
Didn't hit it.
Okay. Guys, you've been watching the stream and you're not a member of Way On Plus. What are you doing? Talking to you, Lil Beam, most importantly. You're one of the most active people in chat, but not in Way On Plus.
Yeah, Lil Beam, man. Can I ask you a question? Why are you not in 1 Plus?
You guys want to learn?
If me and you trade the same, you wouldn't be here if you were.
I tried.
You tried? What do you mean you tried?
You didn't try hard enough.
How did you try?
But guys, if you guys aren't familiar with Way On Plus, it's a dashboard and platform we created where you can learn our strategies, learn even other people's strategies. You get access to a private Discord. We're active every day, every single day, giving weekly and daily outlooks. Also helping you with trade ideas, helping you with risk management psychology. Crypto payment is available for Way On Plus subscription. I'm pretty sure. I need to double check. But on top of that, you also get access to the Lennon live streams, which we don't do live. You get access to all the past recordings, private webinars that we host. Do you guys work one-on-one? No, we do not, but maybe something will be cooking up soon. But you can get a lot of juice just from Way On Plus. Link in the description below. You guys can try out for 7 days. It's only $24. If you don't like it, it's a 7-day money back guarantee, so you can refund your money. So if you're cheap and you just want to try 7 days free, try 7 days free and then refund your money. But I guarantee you'll get hooked as soon as you're inside the community. Wow.
Yeah.
My Indian card blocks his business. I don't know why. How long ago was that? Also, create a ticket if you want us to help you out. We can have the support team look through that. Almost there, I know.
Yeah, I think that's the top, man.
I disagree. I will believe.
Meet me halfway, sun goes down.
What?
What?
I thought you were singing a different song.
Oh.
Tried all the family cards. Is it like I know India has like a UPI thing. We're gonna be adding that in the next couple of months. Hunter, I'm betting on you for the 3rd time. Don't bet on me. Bet on yourself. Come on. You said you want to be a full-time trader, Murad, but you're betting on me? Why? Yeah.
Meet me halfway when the sun goes down. Meet me halfway when the sun goes down.
Come on. Mo, any indicators from ES?
I do believe that this might be, price might go back up a bit. I don't know.
What'd you say? Price might go back up?
But yeah, if we're going lower.
Come on. We're gonna get the new hourly, so we might as well wait. We might as well wait. Then we're gonna end that stream. One year of Way On Plus. No, right now we do not offer one-on-one mentorship. In the future, we'll have that as a separate service if you really need it. If you really need it.
Yeah.
But Way On Plus, we're active. So you can do a lot with just a monthly subscription. TR17.
1738. Hey.
Hunter, what car do you drive?
Oh.
I drive a... What was I gonna say? I freaking was trying to pull off a funny joke. I don't drive in Dubai. We have a personal driver. Mo drives.
He's a passenger princess.
But I will be getting a car in the near future. I'll be posting on my Instagram. Not now, but wintertime. Wintertime, New Year's time. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Okay, we got 4 minutes till new hourly. We're gonna see if this hourly candle can maybe get us in. Of course I'll keep the sell order. Of course, brother. Of course.
Meet me halfway when the sun goes down. It's only sound.
Mo has a sick car though, GMC. Yeah, it is a sick car.
Appreciate you, man. I love it, man. It's like the best thing I've ever driven in my life.
You gotta love trucks.
Yeah, man. Especially here, man.
Yeah,
With the desert and stuff. Oh, it's the best thing you can own. Honestly, in my opinion. Best thing you can own, man. Meet me halfway when the sun goes down.
Keep it at 90. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Patient all stream. Patient all stream. Two minutes. If we don't get any motion when this new hourly opens, then we're gonna call the stream. خلاص.
Meet me halfway. Sun goes down.
I got 80 seconds. 70 seconds. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where did you get these numbers from, man? I mean,
45 seconds. But is a trade still? Of course the trade's valid. I only enter off these levels. What else can I enter from? What else can I enter
83
from?
exactly, man. I don't know why is he counting down like this.
30 seconds.
Damn, man.
Fifteen seconds. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Don't do it. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. Get the flip up here, it'd be nice. Ooh. Ooh. Developing POC. Traffy, you're still alive. Still watching. Yeah, yeah. But I might do something like this. I might do something like this. Boom. Let's keep it at 90. Let's keep it at 90. The hourly needs to move up. So I'm gonna go like this. Push up. I want to see what the next bullish. If we tap this POC, we go down, then I'll call it the live stream. But if we can break above, then let's see.
Yeah. Need to
Go back right now?
Yeah.
Both?
Did you get any message?
No. Did you send them my number?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I didn't. Is that personal message?
Hmm. Yeah. SMS.
I didn't get it.
Oh, maybe it's gonna like do it now.
Okay, guys. You know where the entry is. You know what we're targeting. We're gonna call this a live stream. It's gonna take probably another 30 minutes for it to move up here. If not, we're gonna watch. I'm gonna manage this trade from my phone. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.
Yeah.
Haha, late to the party, Daniel.
Damn.
Late to the party. All right, guys,
bit
we gotta
too
go.
late.
Let's leave. Let's leave. Daniel's in the chat. We gotta go. We gotta go. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in.